Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva affiliate program easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Canva's affiliate program. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page has loaded, locate the sign up or join now button. Click on that button to start the registration process. You will be redirected to a new page with various sign-up options. If you already have a Canva account, click on the option to log in. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the corresponding section. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If you do not have an account yet, select the option to create a new account. Fill out the required fields, including your name and email address. Choose a strong password and ensure it meets the security requirements. Once your information is complete, click on the Create Account button. After successfully signing in, look for the Affiliate Program section. Click on that link to access the affiliate dashboard. Here, you will find information about the program and various tools. Review the details and terms of the program carefully. If you agree to the terms, proceed to complete any additional required forms. Once everything is submitted, you will receive confirmation of your application. Check your email for any notifications from Canva regarding your affiliate status. After approval, you can start using your affiliate links. Log back into your account anytime to access your dashboard and earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.